With the release of HTML5 came a number of semantic tags that could be used in place of the generic div tag. Looking at a div element doesn't really tell us anything about what should go inside. Semantic tags, on the other hand, have names that are fairly clear about their intended purpose. These elements are not only useful for developers visually navigating code, but they help search engines to interpret content and to identify important material on a page. Plus, these elements also help format pages for the visually impaired. For example, header elements are often used for headers. Likewise, footer elements correspond to footers. Nav elements are used for navigation components. Main elements are home to the main page content. And section tags can be used to group elements together by theme or purpose. This is just a small selection of some of the most common semantic elements. In fact, there are around 100 of these in HTML, so keep an eye out.